Hello Pilates lovers, welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. This is day 9 of our 30 days Pilates Discover Self-Healing, and in this video we'll be focusing a lot on our upper back, low back, and glutes muscles. It's a posterior chain beginner's workout to help improve your spinal health. So get your mat ready and join me. Okay friends, let's start. Hands and knees apart, hands open, fingers out, lengthen your shoulders leveled with your wrists. Inhale, slowly look up, increase the arch of your low back. Exhale, slowly bend your elbows while you go to rounded shoulders to extension. Inhale, bend slightly to go further down to increase the mobility of your spine, and then extension. Inhale, exhale to bend, arch to angry cat. Pull your belly button in, your eye gaze looking at your stomach area. Inhale, bend your elbows, slowly look up, arch your spine. Feel that lovely stretch to extension. Exhale down, round your shoulders, look down to your stomach area. Inhale, extension. Exhale, bend and round. Inhale, bend your elbows and look up to extension. Exhale, look down, pull your belly button in, engage your core muscles. Inhale, exhale, belly button in, engage your core. Inhale, bend your elbows, look up. Last one, and hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly lift your right leg to extension. Inhale, exhale back to the center. Inhale with your left. Exhale down. Inhale to the right. Let's warm up our hips and our knees to slowly lengthen so you won't hurt your spine. Exhale, right and left. Inhale, keeping your pelvic in neutral. No twisting of your spine by pulling your belly button in to engage more. Last set. Inhale, left and down. Now place your toes, grip the mat. We're gonna go to downward dog. Slowly lift your knees off the mat and then extension. Stretch your back. Inhale, exhale, slowly bending your knees back to the mat, and then look up. Grip the mat with your toes. Inhale, exhale to lift both knees off the mat. Inhale to downward dog. Press your heels down the mat. Feel the stretch of your hamstrings and your calf muscles. Inhale back to bending your knees position. Exhale down. And look up to a camel position. Inhale, lift your knees off the mat. Exhale to downward dog. Inhale, back, still lifted off the mat to engage your core. Exhale down and look up to stretch. Last set. Inhale, grab your toes on the mat, lift your knees. Inhale, exhale to downward dog. And now from this position, you're gonna lift your right foot off the mat. Inhale, exhale, tap your knee to your elbow and then back to the mat. Then lift now your left leg. Inhale, Exhale, tap your elbow to your knee, back to the mat. Inhale, exhale, bend your knees back to the mat, and then exhale, look up to camel position to stretch your low back. Inhale, lift your knees off the mat gently. Exhale to downward dog. Inhale, lift your right leg. Exhale, tap with your knee to your elbow. Inhale, back to the mat. Exhale, lift your left. Inhale, tap your knee to your elbow. Exhale, back to the mat. Inhale, back to your hands and knees. So if this is difficult, you can just start tapping your knee in all four positions. So right and left, alternating to strengthen your obliques and your abs. Right knee to your right elbow. Beginners. Right. 4 more. Let's do a beginner position for now. Exhale. 3, 2, last one, and down. Now we're gonna do bird dog. Bird dog is alternating hand and leg. So I'm reaching with my left hand forward and then lengthening my right leg. To engage your core, inhale, exhale down. Right hand, left leg, inhale. Left hand, right leg, inhale. Exhale back to the mat. Right hand, left leg, inhale. Exhale. Belly button in and blow. Right hand, left leg, exhale. 2 more to go. Right hand, left leg, opposite. Left hand, right leg, and blow. Last one, right hand, left leg, inhale. Left hand, right leg, exhale. And now we're gonna do fire hydrant or peeing like a dog. So right knee off the mat without twisting your spine. Inhale, exhale. Alternating, left knee up to 90 degrees bent on your knee and your hip. Right knee up, inhale. With your breathing, exhale. 8 more, inhale. Exhale, keeping my back neutral. Without twisting your spine. It's not about as high as you can, but keeping your back in neutral. Slowly building the spinal strength and your flexibility. 4 more. Inhale. Exhale. 3, 2, last one, and your left. Now we're gonna do child pose to stretch your low back gently. Reach forward with your hands and slowly lower your head down to the mat. 2 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. And now we're going to your stomach area. Lower your stomach to the mat. We'll start engaging our glutes more. We're gonna keep our knees straight. Lift your right leg. Inhale. Exhale down. Left leg. Inhale. Exhale. Engage your core. You feel a little bit twinge on your back if you have back pain, as long as there's no pain going down your leg. To strengthen your glutes muscles as well as your spine. Right leg. Inhale. Exhale with your left. Right knee straight. Lengthen. If this is difficult on your back, on your elbows, you can lower your head down. 3 more to go. Right leg. Left. Feel the burn. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. Right. Left. Last set. Inhale. Exhale. Now we're gonna bend your knee. Start with your right. Inhale. Exhale. Left side. Inhale. Exhale, feel the stretch of your back. Slow and easy. This is 30 days. Pilates, discover self-healing. It's not about the difficulty of the exercises, but doing the exercises safely. Right knee bent with your breathing. One breath, one motion. 2 more. Inhale, still squeezing your stomach in to engage your core. Last one. And now both knees bent. Inhale. Exhale. Belly button in and blow. 8, 7, inhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, feel the stretch up your back. 2, last one, and hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now 90 degrees bent. We're going to separate your feet apart to stretch your hip muscles. Inhale and back to the center. Exhale. Belly button in and blow. Inhale. Exhale. 7 more. Open. Close. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, and hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back. And now from this position, we'll start with your right knee off the mat, small range and down. 1, 2, keeping the other knee bent. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Now your left, lift. 10, 9, engage your core, pull your belly button in, inhale, exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and then lengthen your knees down. And now we're gonna lift both knees off the mat, both of them. Inhale, exhale, slow and easy. 9, 8, lift as high as you can, as long as you don't have increasing pain on your back. You can lower your head down if this is too hard on your low back area. 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, and hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Now bend your knees, and this time we're gonna lift it off the mat, both of your knees, small range, lift. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, last one, and hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Now lengthen your elbows and your knees, and let's do swimming, alternating right hand and left leg. Inhale, exhale. 9, alternating simultaneously with your arm and leg. Reach with your hand and lengthen your leg. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now both hands and knees off the mat, Superman or Supergirl. 9. If this is difficult, continue with just with swimming. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then transition to seal. Bend your knees and your elbows. Pull back, tighten your upper back and low back. Inhale. 9, 8, breathing, core engagement. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Now we're going to our hands and knees again. We're gonna do some modified planking by just lifting your knees off the mat. Plant your toes on the mat and lift. Inhale and hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. 4 more. Lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. 3 more. Lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 more. Lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one. Lift, keeping your spine in neutral. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Now let's lie on your back to cool down. To stretch, knees to chest first. Starting one leg, hold it there. And take a deep breath and blow. Open your knee out to the side. Exhale. Inhale, go past midline. Inhale, exhale. Now the other leg, knee to chest. Inhale, exhale out to stretch your hip groin. Inhale, exhale past midline to stretch the side of your hips. Now both knees to stretch, knees to chest, and hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rock side to side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now figure 4, pure form is stretch, knees to chest with the knees and both knees towards your chest to stretch this deep muscle here. And hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now switch it up to the other side, knees to chest, and hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 to cool down. Hands behind your knees, straighten your knees and slowly pull towards you to stretch your low back, and hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's it. I'm hoping you're feeling rejuvenated for our posterior chain, upper back, low back, and glutes strengthening. Still beginners. If you love this video, please subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell so you won't miss anything about Pilates, yoga, physical therapy, health, and wellness. You can message me on my social media or directly here on YouTube if you have any questions, suggestions, or concerns, and I'll try my best to answer each one of you. Always remember, be safe, be well, and healthier you. See you tomorrow for day 10. Bye!